咁多位早晨，歡迎嚟臨奇妙處處通白金卡會員專享20週年創作分享。現在請歡迎你今日嘅主持人，香港迪士尼樂園度假區親善大使佩子善 Giselle 同埋謝成恩 Bien。Good
morning, everyone, and welcome to the Magic Access Platinum Member Privilege 20th Anniversary Creative Reveal. Now, please welcome your hosts, Hong Kong Disneyland Resort Ambassadors, Giselle Abejero and Bien Tsai.
Hello， 大家好啊！歡迎大家參與20週年派對預覽分享會啊！
大家好 ！We're all excited to see you all here today, our Magic Access members.
係啊，隻車，今次係我哋第一次主持奇妙處處通專享嘅活動。我哋想藉住呢一個機會，多謝大家咁多年嚟都陪住香港迪士尼樂園成長，同我哋一齊見證住度假區唔同嘅里程碑啊！所以我哋真係好多謝大家。
I believe our Magic Access members have lots of happy memories with Hong Kong Disneyland over the past 20 years. For me, Hong Kong Disneyland is really my second home. I started as a performer back in 2006 with the Golden Mickeys, then later moved to the Festival of the Lion King show before becoming an ambassador last year. And Bien, you also grew up here in Hong Kong Disneyland, but in a different way, right?
係啊，喺我2019年成為演藝人員之前，其實我都同在座大家一樣，都係一個奇妙處處通嘅會員，所以我每個禮拜我都會入嚟香港迪士尼玩㗎，所以樂園真係陪住我長大㗎。
Today's Magic Access Platinum Member Privilege 20th Anniversary Creative Reveal is a milestone of our 20th anniversary. And it is specially organized just for you, our Magic Access members. We will soon share some first-hand news and offerings. Are you ready?
哇！睇嚟大家都好期待喎！我哋今日有好多精彩嘅內容要同大家分享，所以事不宜遲，請歡迎嚟自娛樂事務部嘅 Zoe。
等我一上到台咧，就考下大家先。大家知唔知道我哋20週年嘅主題係乜嘢咧？
不如我哋一齊講出嚟好唔好啊？好喎，好，就係奇妙派對，快樂盛放。
Yes, the most magical party of all.
冇錯啊！嗱，我見到你哋着住咁靚嘅新衫咧，就知道你哋已經準備好參加 party 咯喎。而我哋嘅20週年慶典咧，將會係一場前所未有，由日頭玩到夜晚嘅奇妙派對。成個度假區咧都會佈滿住 party vibes， 無論係喺樂園嘅入口，以至到每一個園區咧，都會充滿住 party 元素㗎。而首先為我哋呢場奇妙派對暖場嘅，將會係我哋嘅20週年限定城堡演出。迪士尼好有 live 城堡派對 Party Disney Friends Live Party at the Castle。呢個長約15分鐘嘅 concert style 表演，將會有充滿住活力嘅流行音樂同埋舞蹈元素，配合埋全新嘅煙火同埋煙霧特效。當然唔少得仲有我哋嘅迪士尼朋友同大家一齊互動，帶領大家投入呢個派對嘅氣氛。令到成場演出咧都好好玩啊！整個演出爆你哋有驚喜啊！
哇！我淨係聽到已經好期待啦。不過我好想知道有邊一位迪士尼朋友會一齊參與呢？
當然唔少得，就好似幅圖咁，有我哋嘅米奇與好友同埋 Duffy 與好友啦，仲有我哋嘅迪士尼公主添喎，而佢哋都會着上從未亮相過嘅派對禮服同大家見面。
Well, I'm so curious about their never-before-seen party attire. So, Zoe, you mentioned about pop music. Do we have any 20th anniversary theme song?
當然有啦，而大家咧就可以喺呢個分享會度咧聽到我哋嘅20週年嘅主題曲 The Most Magical Party of All， 連同埋另外2首歌曲都將會喺我哋嘅城堡舞台由我哋嘅 vocalist 現場唱出嘅。另外咧就係、既然今日係我哋嘅奇妙處處通會員悉心安排嘅專享活動，不如而家就帶俾大家今日第一個項目，大家可以一齊率先欣賞到20週年限定城堡演出嘅部分派對服飾。大家期待已久嘅全新驚喜——迪士尼好友巡遊派對 Fantastic！ 呢個將會係樂園有史以嚟最大型嘅巡遊啊！一共有多達100位演藝人員參與表演，而入邊有包括超過30位迪士尼朋友添。而我哋一共有11架花車係以唔同迪士尼故事為主題背景創作嘅。首先，當然有我哋嘅米奇與好友打頭陣啦。之後緊住落嚟就會有優獸大都會、大英雄聯盟，好靚啊！反斗奇兵、怪獸公司、紅袍青春記，仲有玩轉老朋友同埋衝天救兵，當然唔少得奇幻魔法屋，同埋達菲與好友，好靚啊！嗬，仲有最後迪士尼公主。有唔少迪士尼朋友咧，仲會係首次喺香港迪士尼樂園出現添。而無論係演藝人員定係迪士尼朋友啦，佢哋都會換上全新嘅服裝，同大家一齊狂歡喎。就好似奇幻魔法屋 Encanto 花車為例，大家就會見到 dancers 着住哥倫比亞風格嘅服裝，將故事入邊嘅傳統元素同埋文化完美咁融入喺設計同埋顏色入邊。而喺成個巡遊表演入邊，音樂當然係另一個不可或缺嘅元素啦。我哋嘅團隊就為呢個表演創作咗總共4首原創歌曲。至於迪士尼好友巡遊派對，另一個最好玩、最有趣嘅地方，就係有一個可以同大家一齊做嘅互動啦。好簡單嘅啫，而家我就帶領大家一齊嚟試下啦喎。首先係手拎出嚟 ，I got 擺喺心口 ，You 冇錯，你試多次啊！ I got you， 嚟多一次咯喎 ！I got you， 哇，好犀利啊！大家都跟到啦，不過唔係咁簡單㗎。而家你要揾下你身邊嘅朋友一齊做呢個互動喎。揾到你嘅好朋友是未？好，第一下係 high five，I got you， 指向對方，冇錯啦，大家都做得好好啊！既然大家都準備好咧，而家就邀請埋我哋嘅 dancers 一齊出嚟 start a party！
I 能遇上撐過去。And I know, don't you forget, no matter how good or bad it gets, best friends means to the end. I got you. You always got my back whenever I'm sad. Yeah, I got you. Don't wanna make some day, but don't want to hate. Yeah, I got you. It's us, it's trust, it's never giving up no matter what. Yeah, I got you. Time is a time, but your days all get good. I got you. You always got my back whenever I'm sad. Yeah, I got you. Don't wanna make some day, but don't want to hate. Yeah, I got you. It's us, it's trust, it's never giving up no matter what. Yeah, I got you. Whenever you get down, I'll always be around. Yeah, I got you. Whenever you get down, I'll always be around. Yeah, I got you.
Zoe, you sneak peeked a lot about the daytime party. So how about nighttime? What will happen at night?
講到香港迪士尼嘅夜晚，又點少得夜間城堡匯演、迪士尼星夢光影之旅呢？我聽講會有升華版喎，另外可唔可以分享多啲俾大家聽呢？
當然可以啦！嗱，到咗夜晚咧，就要為大家嘅完美、大家嘅奇妙之旅畫上完美嘅句號啦。咁就當然唔少得我哋嘅20週年限定版迪士尼星夢光影之旅星空派對 Momentous Party at the Night Sky。呢場升華版嘅夜間城堡匯演咧，全場大約30分鐘，而當中咧仲會加上全新嘅序幕喎。米奇仲會邀請佢嘅好朋友一齊加入添啊，令成場派對更加好玩。而聖光匯演會用上8種多媒體特效，包括立體光影、立體光雕投影同埋全新無人機表演，相信會令大家咧會覺得個派對氣氛咧推到更加之高啊！而當中最特別嘅咧，我哋將會第一次將沉浸式嘅投影延伸到去成條美國小鎮大街，大家可以喺大街嘅建築物外牆咧見到更加多嘅迪士尼朋友㗎。
Ooh, I got excited to see the sneak peek over the brand new Fantastic Parade and Momentous Party in the Night Sky.
我都好期待，遲啲可以親身睇到全新嘅迪士尼朋友巡遊派對，同埋迪士尼星夢光影之旅星空派對啊！
Let's keep the party going! Thank you, Zoe. And now, let's hear our brand new 20th anniversary theme song, The Most Magical Party of All, presented by our vocalists.
Isn't it crazy how far we made it? Feels like we started only yesterday.
20 and growing, we keep it glowing. Here's to the future and the memories made.
Bring the beat, we gon' turn up the volume. Energy is electrified. You and me got our whole world singing along to dancing all day into the night. Alright.
So are you ready?
it won't stop. So don't stop. Bring the beat, don't turn up the volume. Energy is electrified. You and me got a whole singing heart to dancing all day and the night. Alright. So are you ready? Cause it's time to celebrate. Tell everybody, big or small, it's the most magical party all over the golden, far and wide. Welcome to a party, one of a kind.
So if you could hear me shout out loud, come on everybody.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, sing it with me.
It's time to celebrate.
Tell everybody,
Big or small,
it's the most magical
party.
magical party.
Everybody come to a party. Come on everybody, come to a party. Tell everybody, big or small.
The most magical party of all.
Living in
Everybody come to a party.
How far we
Everybody come to a party. Tell everybody, big or small, it's the most magical party of all.
哇！喺呢個咁開心嘅時刻，不如我哋一齊影翻張大合照。為咗影翻張靚相，麻煩大家坐翻低，然之後望住我哋嘅攝影師。
Alright, everyone, let's face the stage, and on the count of 3, we say 20. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 20! Yeah! Woo-hoo! Alright, one more time. 1, 2, 3, 20! Alright, now it's video time. We'll say happy 20th anniversary in Cantonese.
而家係拍片嘅時間，陣間我數3聲，然之後我哋一齊望住攝影師講20週年快樂，然之後 keep 住揮手，大家準備好未呢？ Are you ready?
Yeah!
1、2、3，
20週年快樂！Great job, everyone! Now let's have our Disney friends on stage to cheer for our Magic Access members!
而家我哋會邀請我哋嘅迪士尼朋友上台俾大家影相。大家預備好相機未呢？
Okay, let's look to the front and pose on the count of 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3, pose! Alright, now let's look to the right. 1, 2, 3, pose! Now to the left. 1, 2, 3, pose! Wonderful! Thank you, Mickey and friends, and our performers. Also, thank you Remember, you're all invited, and we'll see you real soon at the most magical party of all, kicking off on June 28th.
多謝大家參與今日嘅活動，20週年奇妙派對快樂盛放嘅活動會喺6月28號開始，我哋到時見。
Wishing you all a magical day here in Hong Kong Disneyland. Bye.
多謝各位嚟臨參與奇妙處處通白金卡會員專享20週年創作分享。我哋期待同大家一齊喺呢個奇妙派對，讓快樂盛放。約定你啦！
Thank you everyone for joining us here at the Magic Access Platinum Member Privilege 20th Anniversary Creative Reveal. We look forward to seeing you all at the most magical party of all. You're all invited.